Parang wala namang saysay na kahit ako yung unang umikot. Wala namang pa kayong mga tao kahit ako yung huli, una, gitna. No one cares. A moment of silence for Team Bilib. Audris. That hurt. She was really good. She was really good. Napakahusay ng batang yon.
Okay. Tapos na ang show. May nanalo na.
Ben and Ben, or Pau and Migs, are very lucky to have her, and so is she. So, ano lang yan. At the end of the day, we're all competing, and everyone's at the same level. So, good luck to everyone. Pero ang sakit nun. Anyways, thank you guys.